Shubor na Khlem jong unong san Hima.
Ki Seng narilom Garo Hills ki Bakinthom, ya ka Garo Students Union, ka Federation of Khasi Jaintia and Garo People, ka Achik Youth Welfare Organization, ka Federation of Achik Freedom, but ka Association for Democracy and Empowerment, mentakasngi ka lalaj banya kendo, but dawan ka menteri ka tenat ka kot ka khia, ka Dr. Maisel Amperin Lingdo, but Pynsangeh no Mardor, ya ka Jing Thungkam, ya ki middle level health provider. Kita ki Seng bahalang narilom Garo, kila dawa harengkat ke Jing Keno, banakal yang katenat National Health Mission Meghalaya, ka Khlem penmi yigino ki Jing Pentip, lani ka Advertisement, ban penbena Mlhp Mlhp. Habakran cikilat patai kubor radin ke Jing Kendo, pat ke Menteri, Presiden ke FKJGP Garo Hills, Pritam Areng, uliat ho bahaga tenat NHM haka arpulai trik unailar arajar arpulai kala penmi ye jing pentip ban Thungkam ya sau pu wengut ki samla haka kam middle level health provider upritam uliat ho banakaliang ki Seng bahalang kila persang ban wat jingtip kumnu katenat NHM kala jit ye gini ki sau pu wengut ban Thungkam ye ki kum ki MLHP Henry lalap pat ba katenat NHM kamshim la penmi ye jing pentip pat ba lani ka Advertisement Mlhp. Upritam ula ongru ba kani ka jingle jong katanat NHM kalapen ken ki kindon jong ka sarkar jilla haga bede bat ka rukom Thungkam hapo ka jilla bat kila dawaru na ka menteri katanat ka kot ka khia ban khmi biang sahisen ye ka shiti balapen mi de katanat NHM ban Thungkam ya ki sau pu wengun.
Yeah, basically today we came for the meeting regarding the appointment of MLHPs. You see, there was an appointment, a notification was given, I think on the, let me just check it was on 23rd of August 2023, the notification was given where we had some 41 number of candidates were selected for the post of MLHP. But the astonishing thing is that when we inquired about how this whole selection process has been done, then we could not find any advertisement for this post. So that led us to do some more research, and then we found out that there were some discrepancies on part of the mission director of the NHM. So we had to ultimately meet the health minister and honorable health minister, and we try to give our points that these are some things which has not been done according to the rules laid out by the government of Meghalaya. So we just asked them to review that particular letter, that particular letter which was given that regarding the appointment of these 41 candidates. So we asked them to review it, and certain technical things were also there in which we had some disagreements. But I'll skip that part. But there are some disagreements from our part, and then we have already spoken. We have already laid out our grievances, and the health minister, for the moment, has informed us that she'll look into the matter, and we'll wait for the initiative that she'll take. So,
whether you submitted any memorandum?
Yes, we have submitted.
What is this post you are referring to?
It's a mid-level health providers, MLHP.
We have seen recently the Tura MDC had demanded for a fresh recruitment regarding this particular post. So what is your stand?
Yeah, fresh recruitment. We have also, in our suggestion, we have said that fresh recruitment should be done, and we, in a sense, we also feel bad also that for the 41 candidates also, because their hopes might also have been high. We want to apologize to the students also, but because the process was not done in the right manner, so we are asking them to give a fresh recruitment.
When you say that there was no advertisement for the said post, what was the clarification from the minister?
The minister basically she contacted with the MD, mission director of NHM, and it is confirmed that MD has also confirmed that there was no advertisement for the post.
So based on what they are appointing these people then, if it is without advertisement?
That is the whole thing. That is why we said that this whole appointment should be put on hold, and inquiry should be done in this matter. And we are also we have also suggested that official inquiry should be done in the whole process. So if someone has done something wrong, if it was deliberate or inadvertently done, whichever is the case, accordingly they should be reprimanded. That is also one of our demands.
Since
So the
you
people,
mentioned that it was not done in a manner that it should be, so can you tell us that in what manner it should be?
No, the main problem is they did not give up any advertisement. So without advertisement, no, under the guidelines of the Meghalaya government, you cannot appoint anybody without any advertisement. That is clear. It's very clear that you have to give advertisement for any kind of appointment. So, they did not.
These candidates have been selected now, or how?
We are not sure about the status. I think the health minister will be in a better position to tell you whether they are selected or not.
So these people whom they have appointed, are they from Garo Hills?
You see, we don't know the whole scenario. Maybe there might be some from Garo Hills, maybe some from other places, but we don't know the whole scenario, like how many people. But our problem is we got a complaint that there was no advertisement for this post, so we took up the issue based on that.
Any ultimatum being given to the government?
No, not ultimatum. We just gave our suggestions.
That was the only issue, or any other issue you discussed?
Regarding the MBBS, we had a brief discussion, but since we'll be getting all the documents regarding that, related documents later only, so we could not discuss in like definitively about it.
Alright.
Yes, Pritamari.
And your
I'm the president of FKHP from Garo Hills Chowk. Bilas CS Mohan, he is the president of ADE, headquarters Tura, and his name is Mr. Seng CS Marak. He's the president of AYWO, and he's Mr. Jiko Bagra N Marak. He is the president of GSU interim body.